AlgeBros, AlgeBabes, this is Professor AlgeBro. Listen, I left you in the middle of what we call a lesson, and I've changed it, and I know that the slope of that other problem was 5, but here is my situation, and I have another formula for us to look at. And says, here it is. What is the equation of the line through this point that is parallel to this equation? Now, parallel lines have the same slope, but different y-intercept, all right? And thankfully, Professor AlgeBro has got this to where it's not the same line. So let's first look at what we have. We have this right here, and this actually is an offshoot of the slope formula. If you put this over here, it would be the slope formula. So we just moved x up to here, and now what we're gonna do is we're going to look and see what equation. So first, we need our players. Well, this is x1, and this is y1, and this right here is the slope, all right? So we have our players. So now we're gonna say y minus y1, which is 5, okay? My slope is from here, which is 2, and then it's x minus 1, okay? Next thing we're gonna do is the distributive property. So I now have y minus 5, y minus 5 equals 2x minus 2. Now, I gave the equation in slope-intercept form. I'm going to give this equation in slope-intercept form, so I'm going to add 5, and y equals 2x plus 3, okay? Now, that's this problem. Now, all I'm going to do is make a couple of changes, and then we're going to try this again. I'm going to let you try it where you are. All right, we want the equation of the line through parallel to y okay, so I want to give y'all a chance to do this, so pause your video just for a second and then come back to me. Okay, we're back. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to label our players. This is x1, this is y1, and this is my slope, okay? Now, I go y minus y1, which is 4, equals 3 times x minus negative 1. Now, subtracting a negative is like adding a positive, so we're going to go on ahead and we're going to make this plus 1. Now we do the distributive property. Y minus 4 equals 3x plus 3. We're going to move this over here by adding, and y equals 3x plus 7. Okay? Now, I'm going to introduce another concept, and then we're going to call it a day. All right? Now, I want to talk to you now not about parallel lines, but perpendicular. All right? Now, this will be a good stopping point here in just a second. Perpendicular lines. Now, perpendicular lines form a right angle. All right? Now, what we need to remember is if I have a slope that is 1/3, the slope perpendicular will be its opposite reciprocal. That means we're going to change this and make it opposite. Okay, I think we have enough, so no matter where you go, math is there. Later, dudes. AlgeBros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Later.